Have you ever stumbled across an online store that feels like a hidden treasure offering designer-style dresses, shoes, and accessories at insanely low prices, and you think, wow, this is too good to miss? That's exactly how Katy.com presents itself. With flashy banners boasting up to 80% off and trendy items that look straight out of a high-end boutique, it's easy to get pulled in. But hold up, before you reach for your credit card, let's take a closer look. In this video, I'm diving deep into what's really going on behind the scenes of this store that's raising more questions than answers. First off, the domain is freshly registered, which isn't always bad. But when paired with a complete lack of basic info, no about us, no privacy policy, no return or refund policy, and no terms of service, it becomes very concerning. The site is filled with urgency tricks like closing sale banners trying to pressure you into buying fast. Digging further, many of the product images appear to be stolen or recycled from other sites, and the pricing is so low it almost feels like a trap. Then there are the reviews, suspiciously vague, overwhelmingly positive, and nowhere to be found on trusted platforms like Trustpilot. There's also zero activity on any major social media channels, which is unusual for a brand that supposedly has so much going on. Lastly, their safety score on eveninsights.com doesn't offer much peace of mind either. I'm not here to say it's 100% a scam or completely legit, but with all these red flags waving at once, Katy.com definitely deserves a second thought before you click buy now.